So let's start with the equation of circle. X squared plus y squared is 5 squared as the equation of circle. And if we put it move mode, we can move it easily. So we made a circle already, and we're gonna set 3 starting point. The first starting point A is 0, minus 5. Also, we can set up like this. I will delete this one first, and I will choose this point and click the point what we want to make A. So we have A like this. And we will set up 2 more starting point, B and C. And B is the point rotates A by 120 degree. B is rotate point A 120 degree. And we can see B in the coordinate system. And C rotate A by 240 degree. So we have a 3 starting point. So first thing we need to do is set up the inner circle. We see before like a purple color. So let's start. To make the inner circle, we need to set up slider first. This is the slider. So click slider and click somewhere in the coordinate system, and then we can set up this slider. So we're gonna set the first slider name as A. Just set up automatically by Geogebra, and interval. The minimum is 0 and the maximum is 60. And 60 means we will weave it 60 times, and it corresponded to the quantity of nails. 60 nails we nailed into the our pattern. So let's input the minimum 0 and the maximum 60 and increment just 1, because it will be the like a quantity of the nails. So it just it cannot be the like a 0.5 or something like that. So I set up the slider like this, and I will make the one more point A, which is rotate A, and the inner circle I will gonna make it like a 360 degree. It's the inner angle of the circle divided 60 nails and multiplied A. So I will change this one. No. Uh, I just it is the mode of slider, so I do something. The slider will be generated automatically. So I will gonna push the button of move first, and then it will be okay to select anything. So this I will change the color like red one. So A is here. It's red color, and then I will show you the how A is moved. It's moved through the circle as slider A is changed. So we will not skip any nails, and we will leave 60 nails everything. And I will set up the A, B. It is like a rotate A by 120 degree. So let's check it out how A and AB moved. So AB is just the point, rotate rotate AA by 120 degrees. So the, the distance between the AA and AB will not change it. So are we gonna make the segment one segment. To set up the segment, we will not use algebra section. We will use just segment mode and click AA and click AB. Oh, wait a moment. If we click like this, AA is if when slide A is 0, AA is same as A and AB is same as B. So when we click, the segment AB is generated. So I will gonna delete it and then I will move slide A to 9 and I will set the segment again. So this first we will go to the segment and then I will click AA and AB and we have the segment F. So for the segment F, I will go back to the move mode first to for easy operation. So now I have F, and then are we gonna change the color of F as purple, same like before, and click the show trace to show all the trajectories as slide A changes. So let's do it. So I will gonna put this play button and then we can see the AA and AB moves by same angles and the inner circle, the first part of tornado is already generated. So let's set up the second part. The second part is the same like a heart pattern, but we will just weave 20 times until the this curve reaches to the purple circle. So let's make it. So first I set up the slider B. Slider B is from 0 to 20 as I said, and increment will be 1. So let's set up the B and I will make the one more point A1. A1 is rotate A 360 degree divided 16 s and multiplied b. And are we gonna change this point? Let's go back to move mode for easy operation and I click A1 and then I'm gonna change this color to the orange. So now we have A1 and I will set up A2. So I will close this keyboard first because if the keyboard is opened, it's not easy to input something in algebra section. So I close keyboard and if you want to open keyboard again, you can push this button. However, we can duplicate the input. So I duplicate input A1 and set A2 as rotate A 600, no, 360 degrees divide 60 nails and 2b multiplied 2b. Actually A1, A2, it's the same like what we are doing for the heart pattern. So I will not explain again. You can just refer to my previous tutorial video how we make the heart pattern. So I will change the color of A2 as orange and I will duplicate the input again and set A, no, B1, rotate B, and I will duplicate A1 and A2 again and set B2. B2 is same, rotate B. 360 degrees divided 60 multiplied to B. And I will change the color as orange. This also orange. And C1 is the rotate. Let me duplicate again. It will be easier. We don't need to open keyboard again. So duplicated input B1 and the set C1 rotate C and make C2. Duplicate P2, C2, rotate C. Yes, so we have a 6 point, and then are we gonna change the C1 and C2 as orange color, same as I did for the A1, A2, B1, B2. Uh-oh. So I will just change it, and then we're gonna check how A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2 moves. Yes, before AA and AB rotates and they keep same angle, but this time A1, A2 is rotated and then it's going par and par as B is increased. So I change this as basic, and then are we gonna set up the segment? So I will set it. Yeah, I will just leave slider B as 13. It is as it is, and then are we gonna set up the segment? Click the segment and then connect the A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. And are we gonna change the color? We're gonna go back to move mode and click G and change this color as pink and check show trace to show all the trajectory, and do same for the H and I. H, I gonna change it pink, and then are we gonna check show trace. I, are we gonna change it pink and check show trace. So we are just done with the first part inner circle show as purple color, and set the outer curve like a pink curve. I mean the three curves first. And for the black curve, I'm gonna show you again because it is just easy. It is just the curves, rotate the pink curves like 36 degree. So let me see this first. So, so I will go back to slider A는 0, A is 0, and slider B is 0. So when we move this coordinate system, it will be reset like without any trajectory, and a uh, we simulate the inner circle first. If I push this play button, slider A is changing, and the all trajectory is shown in coordinate system. So A hit the 60, and we can get the whole circle. I mean the purple inner circle as shown in coordinate system. And let me change slider B. So as slider B is changing, yes, the pink curves are shown like this. So we have three pink curves, but we need to set the black curves again. The black curves, it is just it is easy because it is just the point that rotate A1 and A2 by 36 degree. So are we gonna set A3 rotate A1 by 36 degree? Let me open this one first. If I open keyboard, I can input the degree. Here the tab of function and close it. So I set A3. It is just rotate A1 by 36 degree, and as we have 60 nails around the circle, and between the two nails it is occupied 6 degrees. So when we rotate it 36 degree, it means we will gonna skip 6 names. So are we gonna set up A4 same like this, duplicated input, A4, rotate, A2, 36 degree. And I will duplicate input and set B3. B3 is rotate B1 by 36 degree, and I will duplicate A4 and set B4, rotate B4, B2 by 36 degree. And are we gonna duplicate A3 again and set C3, rotate C1 by 36 degree. And C4, are we gonna duplicate B4 and set C4, rotate C2 by 36 degree. So we set up the 6 more points, and then we will gonna set up 3 segments, same as GHI. Let's go to the segment mode, and then I will connect A3 and A4 and B3 and B4 and C3 and C4. That's it. And just change, no, we don't need to change color. I just leave them the segment J, K, L as black color, and just check. Let's go back to move mode for easy operation, and then click J and then click show trace, and click K and click show trace, and click L, show trace. And let's go back to the first point. So I will gonna simulate the inner circle first. Yeah, it will be the same as we simulated before. Yeah, we will get the inner circle, purple color inner circle. And as B is changing, we're gonna get 3 pink curves and 3 black curves. So that's it. So we got the tornado pattern with 1 purple inner circle and 3 pink curves from outside to inside, and 3 black curves, same as pink color but just rotated 36 degree. And this pink color and black color is same like the curves in heart pattern. So the simulation for tornado pattern is already finished.